Good morning, everyone. So I'm getting glammed up for the Carolina Herrera show, and I'm wearing Cogendo's products because Cogendo gives me that camera-ready makeup. I've shared this multiple times on my channel, and there's a few things that I wanted to show you all too. I got this moisture spa gel. I used this last night. It is absolutely fantastic. It looks like a mousse pump. Creamy, it's not heavy, but it's that middle ground. It's not too light. It's just really good. And then for like cell turnover, I've been using the Gommage Spa Gel. In love with this. If you're looking for something gentle enough to give you that cell turnover but get the job done, go with this. And especially when you're wearing makeup a lot during New York Fashion Week, we need to have some exfoliator. And then I want to show you all the foundation that I have on right now is the Moisture Foundation. This is 302. This one is 302. I'm in love with this as well. And I went over my face with my face powder, my regular face powder, and then I went in with the brightening powder from Cogendo as well. Now this looks super duper intimidating because it is white. But I think a lot of us are realizing that just because we see a white powder, it really doesn't mean that it won't melt into the skin. And that's what this does. Also, when you're really oily, throughout the day during New York Fashion Week running around, this is great to have in your compact just to give you some touch-ups. And I do my touch-ups, as you can see, it's got makeup on it. It's this same powder. I've been using this from show to show just to touch up any oily areas on my face and to really help to mattify my look. I'm in natural light so you all can really see what this looks like with a full face of makeup on. And I want to demonstrate this. This is the Cogendo Aqua Illuminator. Again, something that looks intimidating. It's on a brush. You just want to take this off and just tap it on the ends of your nose and down the nose. When I tell you this makes your skin look like it's glowing from within, as you can see right now, and you let that dry down. I also used it on the side of my face. As you can see, it's really giving me that glow from within. I'm in love with this product. Like, yes. For lips, I'm going in with, this is my favorite right now. It is the R101. It's a red lip gloss lipstick from Cogendo. Look at that. So my lips aren't suffering. And I like to put on a considerable amount because it's so good. I just like to have a richer red shade. Ooh, I'm showing you here when I'm taking off my makeup. I use the Cogendo Spa Cleansing Cloth. You all have seen me use this on my channel before. And also, I go into the skincare. I do have to use my own cleanser because I don't have a cleanser from Cogendo. My Oriental plants, I ended up using all of that. But yeah. Here is the finished look. I'm gonna get ready. I'll show you all what I'm wearing. But yes, I'm in love with this. Thank you, Cogendo, for getting me ready for Carolina Herrera's show. I'll see you all in my next one. Ciao for now.